first thing I do, and I'm going to be doing that again here in just a second. I take a utility knife here, and I cut here and here, all the way up and all the way across the top, breaking the bond between the paint from the parting bead here to the sash here. And I've done that on the bottom, and then we remove the stops, the interior stops that hold the bottom sash in place. Once that's done, then we cut both sides of this all the way around, and then the upper sash, and then we remove this piece. And here in just a minute, you'll see I'll work on this one over here first, and I'll get up there and take that parting bead out. You cut, you still broke, didn't you? Okay, I'm going to have one. Sure, me too. Plus, part. It's amazing that the ropes are still there. They didn't break.
I was surprised to find the fish scales. I really didn't expect them to be there, but they were, and I was really excited that they were up there.
Well, I actually found a couple magazines, and he found a photograph of the house. And I showed it to Mary Ann. Actually, I think I gave her a copy of it, and I've still got it of mine in there. And I said, I don't remember the diamonds in the fish scale. I just remember the fish scale. So I'm going to have to... It's not a mansion, but it's ours. It's our mansion. I think it's, you know, going to be gorgeous myself. With their help, it's going to come real. So I'm thrilled.